Hi, I'm Eric, and I was asked to share how I create my training videos using PowerPoint and some other low-cost tools. The end result looks something like this.
Reflection. Can you think of a time when you had to confront someone about something important? What is the best way to talk to someone in this situation?
So it's a multi-step process, and I will give you a really brief version of how I do it. I will often start in PowerPoint and create slides based on the conversations that I've had with my subject matter experts and the outline that we created together for what the training should look like. I will go from there and go into Google and create a script based on what's going to be on each slide. I copy portions of that script and will place it into an application called Google Videos, which was a little bit new to me. I used the Google Workspace a lot, but I hadn't used Google Video that much. You can bring in a picture or a exported slide to connect what you're about to export to the topic that you're doing. But essentially, you'll go over here to VoiceOver, you'll paste in what you want to write. You could type it up, but I just paste it in. And then you decide which VoiceOver voice you would like to use. And there's several that you can choose from. I happen to like this one,
The
Persuader.
voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video.
You'll click select, and in 3 or 4 minutes, it will export a voiceover like this, and it sounds pretty cool. You can listen to it just in case there was any mistakes. You can even Google how to add breaks and emphasis in your voiceovers to get it to sound just the way you want it. When it's all the way you want, you'll go to File and you will download it as a video. From there, what I want to do is I'm going to break it up into bite-sized pieces. So I will bring it into my video editing program. I use Clipchamp, which is Microsoft's free video editor. If you're using Apple, you could do iMovie. And what I'll do is I will bring down each section until it's a tiny little snippet of what I want for each slide.
We use Time Clock Plus, also known as TCP.
Once I've got it the way I want it, I'll bring this down, make it all one thing, and I will export it as audio only, which is a nice feature of this. I'll call it what I want to call it. In this case, it's ready to work, slide one. I'll export it, and then I'll just keep editing all these little snippets from the transcript so that every slide is its own tiny little audio file. And once you get good at that, you can do that pretty fast. In the end, I'll have a bunch of them that I will bring over to a folder. And then from there, I will go ahead and start inserting them into my slides. In PowerPoint, you can go to Insert, Audio on my PC. You grab it from the right spot, you insert it. When it pops up, it will come here to the playback bar and you can trim the audio and make sure you've got it sounding just the way you want it. You can adjust the volume, but most importantly, you need to adjust this to say automatically so that the audio automatically plays when you do the slide. Next, you'll go to the next slide, insert the audio, next slide, insert the audio, get it just how you want it. You may have to adjust some other settings for this final part where you will export it. You go down to export, create a video, export it in full HD, and you have a video that you can share on YouTube. Sometimes it's not perfect. The first one, I'll go in and I'll make little adjustments using transitions, timing, make sure that everything looks just how I want it, especially if you have animations. You can play around with that a little bit. But that is how you get to the end result of a training video that you can share with your clients.